Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Spellbinders May 2023 Club Kits are now open to new subscribers. I currently receive 3 of their club kits every month. I have both of the embossing folders. The embossing folder on the right is their 2D embossing folder. Lots of fun and festive candles. The embossing folder on the left is their 3D embossing folder. This month it's a fun party scene with lots of balloons. I also have their quick and easy card kit of the month. All of the card kit contents come inside a reusable zippered bag. There's an inspiration card with a couple of cards pictured. Also has a list of contents. The theme this month is spreading happiness. On the opposite side, there's a tutorial showing how to assemble one of the cards. The card kit includes 20 A2 size card panels of colored cardstock. There's light blue, navy blue, a light green, light pink, and also white. The cardstock is great for adding layers to your cards, or you could use them for the backgrounds. Next we have the pattern paper. This is 6 by 6 inches in size, and it is single-sided. There are 20 sheets, all different designs. Spellbinders always includes a fun variety of different designs in their card kits. Several of the sheets also have some gold foil accents. This tree paper is one of my favorites, along with the wood grain. We have some fun pink and white stripes, beautiful florals. Here are some tiny rainbows. We have a tone-on-tone green pattern. This one's really cute. Lots of frogs and lily pads. This stripe pattern has some of the gold foil accents. We have a polka dot tone-on-tone, another lovely floral. Here's a pink design with little X's and a few of the gold foil accents. And the last pattern is blue with some tiny flowers. The kit also includes 8 A2 size card bases and 8 A2 size envelopes. The cardstock used for the card bases has a nice linen texture finish on one side. I like to use it for sentiments, behind the images, or even for a background. Next up we have 2 sheets of chipboard embellishments. Lots of fun images and sentiments, and the colors coordinate beautifully with the pattern paper. There's a full sheet of puffy sentiment stickers, really nice variety, sentiments that will work throughout the year. There's also a sheet of puffy ampersand stickers. Lots of different fonts and really fun and colorful designs that match the pattern paper. As always, the kit includes a full pack of die cut shapes, and I will lay those out toward the end so you can see everything that's included. The next item is a fun bag of sprinkles. There are tiny white clouds, blue, pink, and green sprinkles, and also some clear sequins in the mix. The final items are a sheet of foam squares and also a small roll of adhesive tape. And here's a look at all of the die cut pieces. And there are 2 of each, so you have plenty to use for your cards. Now here's another look at Spellbinders May 2023 Club Kits. If you are interested in subscribing to any of Spellbinders Club Kits, I do have links provided in the description box below. In addition to the embossing folders and the card kit, Spellbinders also has several other options. There's Stamp of the Month, several different dies of the month, and there's also an option to join all of the kits at a discount. In order to receive the kits I showed in this video, you do need to sign up and subscribe by May 27th. Coming soon, I will be sharing my card videos using these fun kits. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.